What if your design skills made money while you slept, without taking another client project? If client work feels like a treadmill, paid webinars are the lever that finally scales your income. Today, I'm showing you how to monetize your design skills with paid webinars, the simplest, most overlooked way to build a real design business. You'll learn the exact steps. Pick a profitable niche, structure your session, choose platforms, promote, and sell without feeling salesy. This isn't about more design tips. It's about building a business that supports your creativity. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. Start with a pain you can solve in 60-90 minutes. Specific sells, vague stalls. Choose an audience you already attract. Startup founders, Etsy sellers, junior designers, SaaS PMs, or photographers breaking into branding. Define 3 pillars: the problem you'll fix, the promise they'll achieve, and proof from your work or process. Examples: a 75-minute brand audit workshop, a UI micro-interactions clinic, or a portfolio punch-up for junior designers. Price it as a workshop, not a webinar. $29.99 for entry, $299 for pro or team seats if you include critiques or templates. Pick one clear outcome and a time slot your audience can attend. Evenings for pros, weekends for students, lunch hours for founders. Write a 1-sentence promise: who it's for, the result, the time frame. Mine your inbox and comments for phrasing. Use their exact words in your description so the offer feels tailor-made. Final check. If you can't describe the transformation in one breath, the angle is too broad. Narrow it until it's obvious. Use a 5-part arc. Hook, map the problem, teach the system, quick wins, invitation to go deeper. Teach frameworks, not just tips. For UI, that might be a hierarchy checklist plus a pattern library demo. Pace: 5 minutes intro and agenda, 35 to 50 minutes of teaching, 10-15 minutes Q&A, 2 to 5 minutes offer. Show one complete transformation live, before to after, so attendees leave with a tangible win. Build interactivity: polls, critique slots, or tear down volunteers to keep energy high and insight specific. Sweeten the ticket. Include a worksheet, a template pack, or a replay with timestamps. Tech stack: Zoom, Google Meet, or Crowdcast for live, Stripe or Gumroad for payments, Notion or Drive for delivery. Rehearse your transitions, then, next, and finally. Smooth handoffs make you look pro and justify your price. Remember, the value is in clarity and momentum. Keep it structured, generous, and focused on one outcome. Promote for 10-14 days. Lead with teaching clips, not hype, 30 to 60-second reels that preview what they'll learn. Use a simple cadence: problem clip, tip clip, case study clip, behind the scenes, and a direct invite every 3rd post. Say who it's for, the result, and the date. Keep it human. People buy your clarity and conviction. Send 3 emails: announce, last chance bonus, and final call. Each one adds a micro story and a proof point. Offer a fast action bonus, a critique spot, template pack, or replay access that expires at a set time. Keep checkout frictionless: 1 page, 1 price, 1 promise. Include the schedule and what to bring. Treat DMs like sales calls. Ask about their challenge, then connect it to the specific outcome of your workshop. Borrow proof: past client wins, portfolio results, or mini before, afters from your real library. Goalpost: aim for 20-50 seats first round. Small rooms convert better and build word of mouth. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your insights help shape future videos for this community. Record the session. Sell the replay at a slightly lower price within 72 hours to capture fence sitters. Turn your frameworks into digital products: checklists, templates, and mini courses. Slice 10+ microclips from the replay. Each one teaches one idea and ends with a soft invite. Run a 3-email replay window: best moments, case study, final call. Always tie back to outcomes. Add partners, software sponsorships, affiliate links, or exclusive discounts woven into the lesson. Bundle replays into a membership. Monthly access plus a live Q&A can 3 to 5x lifetime value. Use the webinar to sell downstream services: audits, coaching, or a structured design sprint. Track the 4 numbers: registrations, attendance, conversion to offer, and average order value. One webinar can power your content and sales for a month. Build the machine once, run it often. Webinars work because they're scalable, teach first, and convert trust into revenue and relationships. Your playbook: pick a sharp niche, structure a transformation, promote with proof, and monetize beyond the live room. Action for this week: choose one topic and draft a 5-part outline. Open registrations for a date 2 weeks out. Keep it simple, deliver generously, and invite attendees to the next step that fits their goals. Your design business should serve your creativity, and paid webinars make that real. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit thedesignlemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.